Hello, everybody. Well, Australia's back in the news again, and not for any good reason. Everyone around the world are pretty much looking at Australia and thinking, what the fuck is going on over there? But this is the latest from the whatever craziness is going on over there.
It was necessary, said the Premier, to close down construction for 2 weeks because there were 350 active COVID cases traceable to building sites.
And I am gutted to have to shut this industry down, but be in no doubt there are 350 cases in construction, over 150 different sites during August and September.
350 different cases between August and September. So this arsehole, what he's done is he's closed down the entire industry of 320,000 people. Okay, so the infection rate over here was 0.1%, and he's closed down the entire industry, and he wants construction workers to get the jab without any objection. This, of course, has not gone down well in Australia, and what you see next with me shutting up is just the different. Is just Australians responding. Look at that. This is close to civil war. Unbelievable in Australia. Oh my God. And it goes on and on. The images just get worse. So I'll leave it over here. If you need to find more of the stuff, just do a search on Australia protests, and you should get these horrible images from Australia.